What would you like to state?
Firstly, I shall thank. I shall thank Park, who has taken a great pain, and apart from that, the Government of India, the Badminton Association of India, OGQ, supporters, sponsors, everybody has, given her all the encouragement, and I'm very grateful to especially media people also, for giving her all the encouragement through their clippings that she will going to win the gold. Though the pressure is there, but I'm happy that she has won a medal for the country, because generally what happens is playing third and fourth match is a very painful match. So yesterday I have motivated her a lot, and thank God, with the blessings of everyone, the entire nation, she has bought a medal, and I'm happy that she is the first woman to win 2 consecutive Olympic medals. No doubt it's a bronze and a silver, but continuously.
So that's a record.
So that way at least she has bought some name and fame to the country.
You the game will change up there. It was completely attacking.
So what did you speak to her? What did you speak to her and what she said what happened?
Yesterday I told you have given your best, and no problem, but concentrate today and just think that you are giving me a gift and on the court. So I'm very happy.
Was her morale down yesterday after the
No, morale in the sense, of course, everybody will cry. She had tears in her eyes, but good that she has recovered and come back, and she won today.
Right, world number 130 ఓడిపోయిన తర్వాత నిజంగానే మళ్ళీ కమ్ బ్యాక్ అవడం అనేది చాలా కష్టమైన పని. బట్ ఈ రోజు అపోనెంట్ ని చూసుకుంటే ఆమె బెటర్ రికార్డ్ ఉంది సింధు మీద. దో దట్ షీ హాస్ మోర్ విన్స్. బట్ ఇవాల్టి గేమ్ వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు వాట్ వాస్ హర్ మైండ్ సెట్?
అంటే వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు నేను ఒకటే చెప్పాను, చాలా ఫోకస్గా బాడీ లాంగ్వేజ్ బాగా పెట్టుకుని వెళ్ళాలి తల్లి. ఎందుకంటే దట్ విల్ బికాస్ ఐ టోల్డ్ హర్ దట్ ఎస్టర్డే అండ్ డే బిఫోర్ ఎస్టర్డే హీ బింగ్జావ్ హ్యాస్ ప్లేడ్ 3 games. It is not easy for a player to continue again the same rhythm. Plus pace kuda penchamanna, endukante if you don't increase the pace, He Bingjiao is also a tricky player like Taizu. So that's how she lost in Indian Super Series. Though she was leading 2016, she lost 23-21 and 21-18. So keeping that in mind, I have sent a video also of He Bingjiao she played in. And of course, coach and even Sindhu was also analyzed in the morning, and I'm very happy today.
World number 1 అయినప్పుడు ఆవిడ చెప్తూ సింధు ఎక్కడైతే ఫ్లాస్ ఉన్నాయో అవి క్లీన్గా గమనించి ఆడారు అనే ఒక స్ట్రాటజీ తోటి వాళ్ళు వచ్చారని చెప్పారు. బట్ ఈ రోజు మీరు చెప్పినట్టుగా నిన్న 3 గేమ్
ఓవరాల్ she was very aggressive on court, and I told her just keep attacking, especially towards her back, because when He Bingjiao plays first stroke, he plays at the forehand, immediately she leaves that place and covers the other 3 places. So now what I said is keep playing some repeated strokes. Then while watching, because I had a physio there on phone, then I was messaging her that now the inward shots are more successful for Sindhu. After 1-2 rallies, then she can go for the inward attack.
Yeah, especially a 17th point rally, the way she smashed.
So
she couldn't reply.
So you might have watched.
Yes, sir.
People who have watched. So she has more attacked on inward, especially towards her backside. That too smashes. There she was successful, and we could get the game.
As a father, obviously it's a proud moment for every Indian. But as a father, how excited are you to welcome her now?
So of course, I told her I'll come to Delhi. So I think she is coming to Delhi on 3rd. Let me speak to the officials, by officials, and I am planning to go to Delhi, because this is Olympics is not a small event where you get a medal, whether it is a gold or silver or a bronze. A medal is a medal, and I'm happy the way she has worked, and God has given us all the happiness.
Any special request from her? She's worked very hard to achieve this. Anything that she...
No, Sindhu is not such a girl. She will not request. So now, see, we have to make her happy. So still a long way to go, and I'm